The TravelTech Show is the future of an entire industry. It's where it's going, reflecting on where it's been, how we can grow and build, take the market forward and really see what the future of travel looks like.
It's been amazing. It's brought together a whole lot of suppliers.
You've got all the major players in one place.
Really, if you're not here, you're missing out on an important sector of the business.
It's the best place to meet the new technologies.
To have the face-to-face meetings with people that you do business with or would like to do business with, it's all important.